Virgil Abloh helped make $300 t-shirts and $600 hoodies not just fashionable, but covetable. And his recent Nike collaboration is so popular that his deconstructed Jordan 1s demand up to $2,000 on the aftermarket. Arguably 2017's most influential figure in fashion, here's what you need to know about Virgil Abloh's rise to the top of the industry. Born in Rockford, Illinois, Abloh graduated from the University of Wisconsin-Madison with an undergraduate degree in civil engineering. He then got his Master's of Architecture at the Illinois Institute of Technology. Abloh first came in contact with longtime colleague Kanye West by uncovering where the rapper screen printed his early concert merchandise. He then persuaded the owner of the business to introduce him to West's then manager. Things moved quickly, and in 2002, at the age of 22, Abloh left a role at a firm in Chicago and was appointed as a creative consultant for Kanye West and his agency Donda. In 2006, he became a regular contributor to The Brilliance, an influential website by Ben Gott and Chuck Anderson, where he debuted his first t-shirt design. Medallions on Blue was printed on a Champion t-shirt and sold at Parisian retailer Colette. It sold out in just a week. Virgil Abloh interned together with Kanye West at Fendi's Rome headquarters in 2009, the same year that Abloh co-founded Chicago boutique RSVP Gallery with West's former tour manager, Dawn Crawley. Working with Riccardo Tisci, Abloh was the art director for 2011's collaborative Jay-Z and Kanye West album, Watch the Throne, where he was nominated for a Grammy Award for Best Recording Package. In 2012, Abloh launched his first label, Pyrex Vision. The line included high-priced screen-printed Champion tees, sweatshirts, and gym shorts, and included a series of dead-stock Rugby Ralph Lauren flannel shirts bought on clearance when the Rugby brand was shuttering. He screen-printed the term Pyrex 23 on the back and sold them for $550 a piece. Abloh looked at Pyrex as more of an experimental art project and resolved to start a more serious fashion collection in the future. Early 2013 saw the rise of Bin Trill, self-described as an art collective and DJ crew whose image and sound is defined by the frenzy of new youth culture found on the pages of the deep web and on the blocks of big cities. Abloh's role with Bin Trill spawned his DJ alias, Flat White, which continues to appear on all promotional DJ materials. Abloh also launched Off-White in 2013, and the world noticed. In 2015, he was the only American to become a finalist for the prestigious LVMH Prize for Young Fashion Designers. In December 2014, Marcello Berlon and Partners founded New Guards Group, which handles production, distribution, and creative services for Off-White, as well as other brands like Paul Mangels and Heron Preston. In 2016 alone, Virgil Abloh collaborated on collections with Moncler, Levi's, and the artist Brendan Fowler. He got the internet talking when he teased a forthcoming collaboration with Swedish furniture brand IKEA. But 2017 was certainly Abloh's most prolific year. The doors to Off-White stores opened around the world, in Singapore, Hong Kong, Vancouver, Melbourne, and more, reaffirming the brand's global relevance. Abloh was also invited by prestigious universities Columbia and Harvard to present keynote presentations. He made a huge splash in the sneaker world when his The 10 collection alongside Nike finally debuted. The collection consists of 8 reworked and deconstructed sneakers, as well as one from Jordan and one from Converse, both of which are subsidiaries of Nike. In 2019, a retrospective of Virgil Abloh's career will be held at the Museum of Contemporary Art in Chicago. Speaking to the South China Morning Post, Abloh said, "We intend to look at the 950 projects I've done, to then reflect on what it says about millennial culture." To find out more about Virgil Abloh and his seemingly endless array of projects, check out Highsnobiety.com.